Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the reading. So I am back with the Ganesha cards. Now I just feel like pulling one or two cards. Let us see what is coming. Single card. Be candid. That's a beautiful card. Actually, the symbol, the chakra symbol also. So somewhere I could understand what he's trying to say. But still, let's pull out one more card. Joy. See, such a beautiful, I just love these Ganesha cards. I don't know why I love them so much, but I actually love reading the Ganesha cards. So the first card is be candid. Basically, express yourself. You need to talk the truth. Don't hesitate. What will someone think? Ganesha is telling you whatever you want to communicate, communicate your ideas, communicate your thoughts, communicate your worries to others. Your throat chakra is completely blocked. Activate it, balance it, speak, and speak out honestly. Don't hesitate. Don't worry how to speak, what to speak. Just speak. Go with the flow. Speak whatever you want to speak, because end of the day, when you speak whatever your heart is asking to speak, what happens? You feel happy from inside. This card basically says, you're so exhausted. There are a lot of patterns which is coming in your life. Walk away from those patterns. Be honest with yourself. Be honest with your feelings. Be honest with your emotions. Talk out what is troubling you. Talk out what is actually putting you down or irritating you, and you will have a joyful day ahead. So today, just take this card and think about him and say, Baba, God, Lord Ganesha, I will do what you're asking me to do. And in the evening, if you get time, go to some temple, offer him some mala. Actually, when this card comes, they say you should take a mala of Erkam for Lord Ganesha, but it is okay if you don't get the Erkam mala. Just get whatever mala you get, go to his temple, put the garland to him and tell him thank you for always standing by me and making me to speak where I need to speak and making me to open up where I need to open up. Today the color is going to be pink, so work on pink. If you don't like the color pink, then wear the color white. But open up, speak to him. In the morning, start your day with chanting Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha and tell him you will openly speak today. Now, when you're chanting this mantra 1 or 8 times, keep your hand in your throat, near your throat chakra, and chant so that he himself opens your throat chakra and you shall be able to speak what you want to speak. Om Ganeshaya Namaha.